Welcome back to MiddleGround Made, an ongoing series where we show you how hardworking people make the products you use every day. Today we look at a branch of PVI Holdings, Setpoint Integrated Solutions. Setpoint provides top-of-the-line valve repair services for a host of companies and industries, delivering solutions for various valve requirements, industrial equipment, gauges, and much more. Let's head down to their headquarters in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Setpoint services not only the oil and chemical industries, but also provides various valve solutions for critical industrial applications, such as wastewater treatment, fire protection, gas, and water supplies.
We specialize with Mason Nealon control valves. We also will repair any other brand of valve or control valve, Fisher's Valtex, manual valves, electric operated valves. We do it all.
Setpoint employs a team of highly skilled professionals that source tools, knowledge, and experience to create the ideal valve to get the job done.
This is incoming and tear down. This is where the valves are first received.
The valves are completely disassembled, making note of any degradation or damage to each component. The parts are then sandblasted and washed to ensure no residual materials are present on the valve's pieces. The disassembled parts are then taken to be thoroughly inspected.
We've got all of our important valve internals here, so we're able to see everything and verify it's in good condition. We're looking for cracks, deformities, something we cannot machine out or fix.
All inspection data is loaded into the Vytl Asset Management System. This allows Setpoint to keep detailed records of all maintenance for the customer. The next stop is the machining shop, where valves are bored, reconditioned, and polished to ensure their continued operation. Setpoint keeps a full stock of parts and components in their warehouse to guarantee rapid repair turnaround, and even create custom parts in-house. The parts are thoroughly cleaned, given a fresh coat of paint, and then transported to the assembly area. Then, valves are reassembled and outfitted with any new parts or enhancements before moving to the next phase of restoration. The valves are tested to ensure they withstand the appropriate pressure tolerance before moving to quality assurance for final inspection. Finally, the equipment is packaged up and prepared to be shipped back to the customer. From the refining of gasoline to the delivery of clean water to your home, Setpoint provides not only safe and reliable valves, but also the assurance that the job was done right. Follow MiddleGround Capital on LinkedIn and YouTube for more MiddleGround content. And while you're there, check out some of our other awesome content and be sure to share your favorites.